Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have this Brinks Commercial padlock. I bought this a long time ago when I had first started lock picking. It's a 4-pin, does have spools. I thought I'd give the credit card tensioner and hook that I received from lockpickmall.com. I've picked this, like I said, many times. I've never picked it on camera, and thought I'd give it a go with this kit. And that was easy. Yeah, I didn't encounter, sometimes you encounter the spool in this, and sometimes you don't. Anyway, honestly not bad. 24 thousandths thickness with the pick and 31 thousandths with the tensioner. So yeah, that works. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, please subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.